Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Monday, February 7, 2022. John Ford designed and built FordCraft boats in Union Springs, New York. Perhaps most notable among them are his Packard replicas that were built totally on lines from Packard himself. In 1992, he built Miss Packard, a 26-foot gentleman's racer who was powered by her original 502 CID 452 horsepower GM Flagship V8. Since he died in 1993, Miss Packard is perhaps among his last and final creations. And she is here, and she is ours. Let's go meet her and update her. And here she is, all 26 feet of her, wearing 20 coats of varnish. We started out with Pettit Flagship. After we stained her with Mike Mayer's Lobo Hacker stain. Then we, of course, sealed her cold molded plywood hull with multiple coats of Smith's clear penetrating epoxy sealer. We applied 15 coats, had Joni Alden, Vital Signs, Colchester, Vermont, do her lettering. And now Joe has applied 5 more coats. We have switched to Pettit Ultra Clear on the top sides and transom, and we have continued applying the Flagship to her decks and of course her hatch doors. We have her all rewired. Shauna Whiting, Cochin Instruments, has done just a spectacular job restoring her gauge panel. We have her original upholstery that is unbelievable. It's in as new condition. And it's very difficult in this shop to really get a full image. Joe has completed all of the rewiring. We have completed the rebuild and painting with multiple coats of gray bilge paint that matches what John originally used on the boat in the bilge. Most of her ceilings are back in place. A few more coats, and it's time to reassemble her. And that's going to be an exciting moment. She is 26 feet long and powered by that monster GM Flagship V8. Her beam's only 6 feet. I assure you, when I turn this puppy, she's going to take a wide, wide, wide turn. So we will continue varnishing, and soon we'll be able to do reassembly. And once that's behind us, unfortunately, since the water's pretty hard right now, she'll go back into storage for the rest of the winter. But next spring, I promise you, a wild, wild sea trial. That's our update on the 1992 26-foot, 6-foot beam John Ford Hacker replica Miss Packard. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.